Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn how FortiGate helps organizations gain visibility into shadow AI activity. As AI tools become part of daily work, some are adopted without IT visibility, creating shadow AI. With Agentic AI, this risk grows. Through protocols like MCP, AI agents can access tools, review data, and perform actions on behalf of users. FortiGate helps security teams detect AI applications, agents, and MCP activity across the network. Let's see it in action. In this demonstration, we'll use the GitHub MCP server with the Visual Studio Code agent to highlight the workflows typical of a developer. The GitHub MCP integration gives the agent access to repository content, issues, commits, and other development data. We begin by asking the assistant to summarize the files in the connected GitHub repository. The assistant queries the repository and reviews its available contents. It returns an organized summary of the files and their purpose, allowing us to understand the project structure without manually browsing through the repository. Next, we ask the assistant to check which issues are currently assigned to the developer. Using the GitHub MCP tools, the assistant searches the repository's open issues and identifies the relevant assignment. The issue points to a problem involving the application's search functionality. We will ask the assistant to fix this issue. We now switch to the FortiGate AI dashboard, which gives us visibility into the agents and Gen AI applications used by the corporate users. So if we see the FortiView AI applications, we can find new use cases, one of which is the Code Assistant, which is the MCP tool that we were using earlier. So if we look at the logs here, it gives us a lot of visibility into what's the user activity with MCP. You can see the files listed here, and from our earlier test run, we had asked the AI agent to find out what are the files within our GitHub. We had the var2, variable, logical error, syntax error, and readme returned. All of these files were returned as a part of the AI arguments. And we have this decoded within the MCP protocol as it exchanges that information. We are also able to query the GitHub repository. You can see the AI function was search issues just now. Lastly, it was able to update the file and check in the code. So these are the potential actions that developers may be taking and leveraging with the new AI tools. And this kind of visibility within the MCP is extremely important, as it gives us the ability to track and find what's going on and the changes applied during production. With this, we conclude our video on how FortiGate helps organizations gain visibility into shadow AI activity. Thank you for watching.